Morning, students. Good morning, students. I'm audible to you. Hello. Good morning, students. I'm audible to. If I'm audible, please raise your hand. Okay. Apurva, Netra, Pratibha, Priti. I'm audible to you. Okay. Okay. My voice is clear. Ishwar, Kritika, Aditi, Soumya, Ishwar, Sharan, Shobha, Saukya. If I'm audible, so please raise your hand. If there is any problem, message this. Okay. Only 23 students are there. Please tell your friends to join the class immediately. Only 23 students are there. I think 22. Is it 23, 24? Okay, we'll start the class. Uh, Once again, good morning, everyone. In the previous class, means yesterday's class, we have started our, that is a first unit, that is about financial system. So in that we have studied what is the meaning of financial system, and we have studied components of financial system. Quick, we will revise yesterday's class. Okay, so in yesterday's class, first we have studied the meaning. Okay, hope you understand the meaning. Okay, it's here I have explained that financial system may be defined. Okay, financial system may be defined as a set of, okay, as a set of or a combination of, okay, understood. Financial system may be defined as a set or a combination of, it may be financial, okay, financial institution, okay, it will be defined as a financial institutions, or it will be defined as a financial market, okay, financial market, or financial market, financial instruments, okay, it will be defined as a financial institutions, financial market, financial instrument, as well as financial services, okay. Financial system, okay, it is a set of combination of financial institution, financial market, financial instrument, financial services to facilitate. What does this all does? This set of combination does, it facilitates to provides. Okay, this all set of
Jam
set of all combination facilitate to transfer fund, okay, to transfer the funds. So this was the meaning of financial system. Also it is a channel, okay, financial system, it is also a channel to transfer the fund from saver, okay, it is also called as a channel to transfer fund from saver of money, saver of money to business houses with who needs the money. So this was the meaning of financial system. Okay, one more we have studied like components of financial system. The components of financial system were like financial institution, financial market, financial instrument, and as well as financial services. Okay, these were the components we have studied. Okay, we have we were studied. Financial instruments, nothing but it is a body. Okay, financial institution, it is a body that assets financial transactions, that assets financial transactions between two parties. Okay, between, it was between two parties, okay, financial transactions between two parties. So example I have told, like we have banks, examples were like banks, we have insurance companies, like we have brokerage. Here financial institution, what does, who needs a money, they will supply between two parties, okay. Example I have a, as example I have a told, okay, example, an individual person who has saved his 20,000. Okay, rupees, he has saved rupees something 20,000. Okay, example of financial institution was see. For example, a single person was there. He has saved 20,000 rupees. He was thinking where to invest, either in shares, either in banks. What he does, he does that 20,000 as a fixed deposit. He kept this 20,000 as a fixed deposit in a bank. Bank provides him how much? Some 7% of interest they will provide to him. That much 7% we will give for your FD. Next, what does bank? So the bank does not keep this money with them. What they will do? They will transfer this fund to the certain person who needs the money, who needs money for them. They will transfer. Suppose for an individual person they have given loan who needs the money. For that person they will charge 12%. For him they will charge him for every person who are deposited fixed deposit for him 7%. For whom the bank has given loan, for him they will provide a 12% as a interest. Both the parties are getting profit. Bank is also getting profit. This person also is getting profit. Who is getting the loan? He needs the money. He gets the money. So here bank gets profit of 5%. So this was about financial institution. Okay. So next we will study about the financial market. Okay, financial market means it was nothing but a market. Okay, financial market it is a market where trading of securities takes place. Okay, financial market it is one kind of market where trading of securities takes place. Okay, example like I have told, like we have equity, bonds, etc. So these were the examples. So in that financial market, it is further divided into two types. It was further divided into two types. Okay, further it is divided into two types. One was money market, second was capital market. Okay, money market means it is for short term trade, means where the transaction should be done within 1 year. For that we call as money market. For example, okay, next, capital market. So for money market, the examples like treasury bills, where we should do the transactions within 1 year. Next, it was capital market. So capital market is a market for long-term trade. Okay, it is for long-term trade, means where the transactions happens for long-term trade. For example, shares and debentures. Shambhavi, am I audible to you? Shambhavi and Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradeep. See, next we will study about financial instruments. Okay, financial instruments are those tradable instruments. Okay, financial instruments means are those tradable instruments which have monetary value. Okay, monetary value. Here what happens? It is in financial instruments, there we can buy certain types of products. Okay, in that I have explained about two types were there. One was equity. Okay, in financial instruments, two types I have explained. One is means in two ways we can buy the products. One was, hope you know, one was equity, second was debt. First was equity and second was debt. Equity means if you want to buy products. Okay, means in equity means if you want to buy those products through which you want ownership. For that we call as equity. Equity means if you want to buy those products through which you want ownership, for that we call as equity. For example, here what happens? Here risks will be more and interest will be high. Okay, equity means in equity where the risks will be more. Okay, risks will be more as well as interest rate will be high. Next was debt. Debt means if you want to give loan to the businesses or companies, for that we call as debt. Here what was there? The risk is low and the interest rate is also was low. And last fourth component we have studied about financial services. Okay, financial services means it facilitates to the persons who want to acquire any assets on credit basis. Means it financial services helps to those persons who want any assets on credit basis. These financial services help to those to provide credit basis on services. So this we have studied. So okay, we have studied. Okay, meaning and we have studied the components. Now in today's class we will study about what are the functions. Wait a minute. So in today's class, we will study about functions and as well as what are the objectives of financial system. Okay.
Sir, video ne baragatillri. Sir, nim video kelakatilri sir. Idu kanagatilri video nim. Video kanagatil sir nim.
Okay. So in today's class, we will be studying about what are the functions and as well as what are the objectives of financial system. Okay, first we will functions of financial system. So there are certain functions of financial system, like we have pooling of funds and capital information, and we have facilitates payments, we have risk functions, we have better decisions, provides liquidity, and we have finances, government needs. Okay, so one by one we will study. Okay, first is pooling of funds. Okay, see, pooling means to collect the money. Pooling means to collect the money. Here what it says, of financial system, the savings of people. Okay, in financial system, what happens? The savings of people are transferred. Okay, here what happens in pooling of funds, where the with the savings means savings of people are transferred to business organizations through which the production will increase. Here what happens, for example, a business required certain amounts of money to start their business. Through the business, people get this amount from certain institutions like financial market, from financial services. So this financial market and financial services provides the money who have done savings. This savings of people, what is financial institutions as well as we have financial market, they transfer the fund to the business organizations. If this happens, automatically the production will be increases as well as the better goods will be manufactured, through which the standard of increase of people will be high. That is called as pooling of funds. Okay, pooling of funds, nothing but here what happens in financial system, the financial institutions provides the savings of people which the money is transferred to the business organizations. If this happens means where the manufacturing of goods and services will automatically will be increases, as well as where the products of goods will be manufactured a better way. If this happens means automatically the standard of living of people will be increasing. That is called as pooling of funds. Okay, pooling of funds means to collect the money and transfer the money to the businesses, organizations or companies who needs the money. That is called as pooling of funds. Okay, understood? This was the first function. Okay, coming to the second function, that is capital formation. Okay, capital formation means usually business requires finance. Okay, finance. Okay, usually business usually required finances to run their organizations or to their run their companies. For that purpose, these are made available. Okay, this financial system help to those businesses, means available from like we have household peoples. From household peoples they will help, or as well as from financial institutions. From them they collect and money gives to the businesses people to reach, through which the capital formation will be happened. Okay, once again here, capital formation means see usually certain types of
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ.
hello,
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟ.
video doubt ಐತಿ.
ಆಗಲೇ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಿ.
ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ?
ಹಾ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಸರ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಒಟ್ಟ. ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಒಟ್ಟ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗಂತ.
ಸರ್
capital formation means what happens, certain types of businesses required like finances to run their business, through which this financial system will help to those persons who requires the money. So these monies are made available through certain types of bank loan. It may be from household fund savings. From them they will collect, and from certain financial institutions collect the money. So this leads to the capital formations. So this was the second functions of financial system. So the first one was pooling of funds to collect the money. Next, capital formation. Second function is capital formation means who certain business requires money or funds, or we can call as finances, through which they will help to provide the fund to their, or to transfer the fund to that businesses. Okay, next is facilitate payments. See, suppose individual person, suppose a company, suppose a business have taken certain type of funds. Through that, this financial system will help to pay the payments to the certain types of institutions. What are the financial systems? Okay, the financial system offers some convenient modes of payment. Okay, so suppose business individual person have taken amounts of fund. To repay that financial system, what happens? They offer certain types of convenient payment of hello, certain types of payments they will help to available to them, like new methods of payments, like they bring some credit card facilities, like we have debit cards or we have check facilities. All these facilities are provided quick and easily transactions. So this helps to the facilitates of payment. Okay, facilitates payments means here what happens, the financial system. Okay, the financial system, what happens, they offer certain kinds of modes of payment to pay the goods and services amount. Like we have
ಏನು ಕಳಿಸೈತಿ ನೀನು
e-payments like electronic payments or checks.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ
Facilitates Okay, next, fourth function we can call as RICS functions. Okay, so the
ವಾಚರ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ ಯಾರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಅದ ನನಗೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ
function is RICS functions. Okay, here what happens? The financial market provide certain kinds of protection. Certain kinds of protection. Protection against certain types of means suppose or company case or in they provide them RICS functions. They provide in this means what types of benefits RICS you will get. It facilitates. Okay, it provides certain protections. About RICS function means this financial system, what happens, they provide certain types of RICS to the people against the income RICS. Okay, so the next one is a better decision. Okay, next function is here what happens, the financial markets provide some better information about the market and about the various financial assets. Okay, financial market they provide some better decisions about provide some informations about the market as well as some various financial assets. So if they provide some better information means this help to the investors.
ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲದ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ
This help
ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್
to compare the different investment options. Okay, it helps the investors to compare the different investments options and choose the best one.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡು ಸಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚಿಂಟು ಹಚ್ಬಿಡು ಅವಂಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ತದ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತಿದನ ಉಂಡಿಯ
Ishwar,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವಂಗ ಚಿಂಟು ಹಚ್ಬಿಡು
Ishwar, mute yourself first. Useless for us.
So please mute yourself. Okay, it is disturbing to others. Okay, so better decision means here what happens, financial market what happens, they provide some informations about the market and various assets. If they provide certain informations means what happens, it helps to the investors to compare to where to invest and it gives certain different options to the investors to where to invest in certain financial institutions and to choose the best one, and it helps in decision making in making some portfolio. Okay, this was about the better decisions. Okay, next is provides liquidity. Okay, It means the ability to convert into cash. Okay, financial system helps to convert the hard cash in, okay, into cash. Okay, the financial system, okay, the financial market provides the investors the opportunity to liquidate their investment. Okay, provide liquidity means it means the ability to convert into cash. Okay, the financial market, what happens, uh, provides the investors the opportunity to liquidate their investments in which are in financial instruments. Examples like we have shares and debentures, bonds, etc. So remaining, I will explain the further class. If there is any questions, if you can answer. Anybody, is there any doubt? Please tell me, because others mute yourself and ask if there is any questions. Akshata, Apurva, Arpita. If there is any doubt in functions, please tell me. I will explain once again. Akshata, Apurva, Arpita, Govind, Guru, Ishwar, Kiran. Please tell me a message. Next, tell me fast if there is any doubt. I will explain once again the remaining functions. Tell me fast. Akshata, no doubt. Others, tell me fast. I will explain you once again the remaining functions which I have explained. 5 functions which I have explained. I will explain once again. Sandhya, no doubt. Others, tell me fast. Govind, no doubt. Others, please tell me fast. Still we have 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, I will explain you the remaining functions. Others, see, the first function was pooling of funds. Okay, pooling of funds means here what happens, the financial systems saves the of people funds and transferred from to. Sir, functions explain karo shortly. Okay, shortly see here, pooling of funds. See, pooling of funds means here what happens, financial systems save what the people have saved the people's of funds. What they will happen, they will transfer to the organizations. Okay, whoever needs the money, they will transfer the funds to the other peoples through which they can start their production activity, through which they can provide better goods as well as services, through which automatically the standard of living will be increased. So this was the first function. Second function was, see Nikhil, second function was capital formations. Capital formation again after certain business in they require finances to run their business. So here what happens, financial institutions or financial system also help to pay them funds. They will help. Okay. Next, see, third function was facilitate payments. Facilitate payments ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, the financial system ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to make the payment. Suppose if you want to make any payment, if financial systems ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯಂಟ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರೇನೇನ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, और ಚೆಕ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, as well as quick and easy transactions ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So this was Nikhil, this was a third functions of facilitate payments. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು risk functions. Okay, risk function ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ here, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ protections ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್, ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಆರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಟು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ last fifth I will explain, that was about better decisions. Better decisions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They provide information about the market to the investors. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಬೆಟರ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಬೌಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ವೇ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೇ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ brief about today which we have studied. So the remaining two functions and objectives I will explain in the tomorrow's class. So Nikhil understood, others Kiran, Ishwar, Netra, Nikhil.